how to recover deleted chats on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video where I show you that how you can recover the deleted chats on Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all, you'll have to open the Instagram app and log into your account. And from here, you'll have to tap on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner of your screen. And from here, you'll have to tap on this three line just at the top right corner of your screen. So simply tap on it. And now from this, you will have to click on this option, your activity. Okay, so from this, you will have to scroll down and find the options like download your information. So simply click on this option. So from here, again, you will have to click on this download or transfer information. So simply tap on it. From here, you will have to choose the account whom you want to download the chats. So simply I'm selecting this. So from here, you'll have to confirm that how much information do you want. So now I am selecting all information. So to download on this device, you will have to go the option download to device. And from here, you will have to set your date range. So simply tap on it. And so I'm simply clicking on this last 6 months. Okay, so after that, you will have to click on this save option, and on the another section, you will have to give your email address to notify when your file was ready. And now on this next option, you will have to choose the format of your file. So it can be JSON or HTML. Right now it is HTML file. So on the other hand, you will have to choose your media quality. So right now it's medium. You can set it to high or low. So after this configuration, you will have to click on the create file option. So simply tap on it. So right now it is on progress. So after the progress complete, you will got here options to download. And that's all. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video for more tech tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.